How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I jog every morning.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at noon.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually spend time with friends.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking, thank you.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there.
Do you have this in a different size?
Let me check for you.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 30 days.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure, here it is.
Do you offer home delivery?
Yes, we do.
What time do you close?
We close at 8 p.m.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the airport.
How far is it from here?
It's about 10 miles.
How long is the flight?
It's a 6-hour flight.
What time is the train?
It's at 5 p.m.
Can I get a ticket to London?
Yes, one way or round trip.
Is it a direct flight?
No, it is one stop.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes, please.
How much is the bus fare?
It's $2.
When does the next bus arrive?
In 15 minutes.
Where is the nearest hotel?
It's just down the street.
What would you like to order?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a soda.
How is the food?
It's delicious.
Can I get the check, please?
Sure, here it is.
Is there a vegetarian option?
Yes, we have a salad.
Do you have any specials today?
Yes, the steak is on special.
How spicy is this dish?
It's mild, not too spicy.
Can I have extra napkins, please?
Of course.
What's for dessert?
We have cake and ice cream.
Do you accept tips?
Yes, thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling much better.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to nuts.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you need to see a doctor?
Yes, I have a headache.
What time is your appointment?
It's at 2 p.m.
How long have you been sick?
For 2 days.
Do you take any medicine?
Yes, I take vitamins.
Have you ever been hospitalized?
No, never.
How much water do you drink every day?
I drink about 2 liters.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Do you have any homework?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
When is your exam?
It's next week.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's great.
How long is the class?
It's 1 hour.
Did you pass the test?
Yes, I did.
Do you need help with your homework?
Yes, please.
How do you study?
I read my notes and practice.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
How long have you worked here?
For 3 years.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
When do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Do you work from home?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Do you have any meetings today?
Yes, I have one at 2 p.m.
What's your job title?
I'm a project manager.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite app?
I like Instagram.
Do you use social media often?
Yes, every day.
Can you help me with my computer?
Sure, what's the problem?
How often do you check your email?
I check it every morning.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your Wi-Fi password?
It's written on the router.
Do you know how to fix this?
I'm not sure, but I can try.
How do you download apps?
You can download them from the App Store.
Can I borrow your charger?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read and watch movies.
Do you drive?
Yes, I do.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer the best.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
How was your day?
It was great.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I have a cup every morning.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I like to relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I cook most nights.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually hang out with friends or read.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What did you buy today?
I bought some groceries.
How much does this cost?
It costs $10.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, it's more convenient.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the local market.
Do you need help finding something?
No, I'm just looking, thanks.
Is there a sale today?
Yes, everything is 20% off.
Can I return this item?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days.
What size do you wear?
I wear a medium.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote it down.